So we are all a group of friends from Amsterdam who have Indonesian roots. Some like were born in Indonesia. Some have Indonesian parents. I have Indonesian grandparents. And during the Corona pandemic, we all had the idea like let's delve into the music of Indonesia and discover it together. And yeah, just play some Indonesian music, and then we took it from there and tried to make our like own twist on it. And yeah, now we're 2 years along the road, and we're like really enjoying making this music and having a great time.